From a funny little script to the code of the gods, Python in my veins breaking digital laws. From 91 dreams to machine learning brains, one snake changed the world, remember the name. From a funny little script to the code of the gods, Python in my veins breaking digital laws. From 91 dreams to machine learning brains, one snake changed the world, remember the name. Yeah. Guido in the lab, Christmas '89, typing on a keyboard, trying to design a language so simple, so clean and so free, not like C with its memory, misery. January 9/1, the first release dropped, a high-level dream, but the power was locked. Readable like English, flexible like jazz, while other languages were stuck in the past. From a funny little script to the code of the gods, Python in my veins breaking digital laws. From 91 dreams to machine learning brains, one snake changed the world, remember the name. From a funny little script to the code of the gods, Python in my veins breaking digital laws. From 91 dreams to machine learning brains, one snake changed the world, remember the name. Late 90s, open source fire, developers worldwide joined the choir. Web dev, scripting, data on deck, Python did it all, what the heck. Django and Flask made the web real fast. Automate your job, make the boring stuff past. No semicolons, no curly brace hell, just clean little lines that do magic as well. Now it's Python in the AI throne, running neural nets like a digital brain. TensorFlow, PyTorch, data in stacks, training machines to see, talk and act. From LLM to self-driving cars, Python is the language behind the stars. If you wanna build the future with code, this is the snake that runs the road. So when they ask you what language you speak, say Python. Future logic and dreams, not just code, it's a global vibe. One snake, one world, one digital tribe. One digital tribe. One snake, one world, one digital tribe.